Woo! Hey! 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 Oh, how good!
Konnichiwa kimono wearers. It is a glorious morning in Nozawa Onsen
with fresh snow overnight.
and we are heading to the top of the mountain today, so sit back and enjoy the scenes. Okay, we're making our way up to the top of the resort today. Up here to the Yamabiko runs. And this is the top of the resort and probably a good time to meet the snowboarders. Larry, Mo, Curly and Homer. We're initially heading down Yamabiko D, which is run number 4 and a red run. You can see the top up of snow. It is gorgeous. It's a bit steeper than the GoPro makes it look. The reverse angle gives a better indication. We continue down Yamabiko D, which gets a bit steeper here.
Perfect for the video. Oh, good save.
Good job.
You going over there?
Yeah. That's a try. When you do it, try not to hit the big bumps, otherwise it sort of fucks you up.
Yeah. Go there.
At this point you can stay on Yamabiko D to the left and complete its 1250 metres, or go right onto Yamabiko C, which is 850 metres in length.
You're going to get a lot of video looking at the ground, because when you turn you go like that.
Hey,
What?
stop there for a sec.
What?
My top little pocket is my GoPro.
And this is Yamabiko C, a cruisy red run, not as steep as Yamabiko D. We are headed back to the top again.
Where are we going? Same run?
Yeah.
When we come back up again, I might
We'll start down Yamabiko D again, but this time we'll make an earlier right-hander onto Yamabiko B. Just gorgeous. It was a perfect morning on the slopes. In case you're wondering, that chair is what you'll take after the Nagasaka gondola. However, it doesn't get you to the top of the resort. For that you need to get onto Yamabiko B or C and take the chair at the bottom of those runs. This is still Yamabiko D. Okay, now we're going to turn onto Yamabiko B, unsuccessfully as it turned out. Okay, let's see that again from another angle. This is actually much steeper than the camera suggests, and the start is all ungroomed. It looks nice, in actual fact it's as rough as guts. Nah, he's down again. Like I said, steep and rough as. Taking it easy now, doesn't want another fall on camera. There, you get an idea of steepness with that shot. After the initial steep section, things get groomed and flatten out a bit. You can also drop off to the right and find some powder through the trees. That is crazy stuff. Yamabiko B is 800 metres and ends at the same chair as Yamabiko C, which we did earlier. And now it's just cruise on down to the Yamabiko chair. We're back on Yamabiko C on a cloudy day.
Hey. You alright? It's not that hard, is it?
Huh?
It's not that hard.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Like all this stuff, this is sweet. Hey? You did one? Where'd you do it? Here or in there? Cartwheel. Yeah, nice. Fuck, I'd love to go through there. Gonna have to. Woo! Hey! 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 Oh, how good! Woo! 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 Lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Good.
Coming off the top of the resort, you can go to the left of the Yamabiko second chair and ski Yamabiko E, a 1k run that can take you down to the start of Ueno Terra, where the Nagasaka gondola ends, or if you take the left hand branch, you can join up with Skyline. We're headed to Ueno Terra. There are 5 Yamabiko runs you can do from the top of the mountain, all red, and in between them you can go off piste into the powder and trees. And that is coming up in the next bit. Although the GoPro is not showing the steepness, there are some steep sections on Yamabiko E. Make sure you build up a bit of speed down here to ride through the flat section below. fun little ride Yamabiko E spits you out at the top of Moeno Terra.
Well then,
Arigato gozaimasu for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!